Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple photos in one Instagram story without using any third-party app. It's super easy, creative, and perfect if you want to make aesthetically styled stories. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Instagram and then just tap on plus icon to add a new story like this. And then in here you can take a new photo using your camera or just upload one from your gallery as your story background. In here I will just tap on camera and then just tap on text icon, this one, just tap on it like this. This step will help you create a little space to design your story. You can choose any background color by tapping this icon. Just tap on it until you find the backgrounds that you like. And then once you're happy with the background, just tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen like this, and then just choose add photo or photo, this one, and then choose the photo that you want to add. You can tap like this, and then you can tap on the photo to change its shape or crop styles like this. Just tap until you find the perfect shape like this, and then just drag and resize it when anywhere that you want on your story like this. And then to add more picture, just tap on sticker icon again and then choose photo again, upload your photo like this, and then place it whenever anywhere you like, and then place them creatively, overlap them, or make a mini collage. It's totally up to your aesthetic. And once all your photos are in place, you can add text or maybe emojis or filters to make your story even more fun. And then just try adjusting the size and layout until it looks balanced and clean. And that's it. That's how you add multiple photos in one Instagram story. It's quick, simple, and 100% done inside Instagram. Okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.